For always shall I shine, the sun has said, for I shall glow and never shall I set. The rain has said, I shall be pouring every day. The black land shall be moist, for I shall cry my way. The sun then has replied to him, you're very wet, you poor and dirty all things get. The rain then has replied, you become hot, you burn the crop down and destroy the lot. He said, a chance to ripen I give to the fruit. Due to my shine, all nature sees its good. The sun and the rain, after arguing for hours, after dishonoring and tarnishing each other, made peace at last and came up with a deal that never again shall one speak of another ill. The sun and the rain, from that day onward, with no disturbance work on their own accord.